We couldn't go wrong with it. The script is so strong. Actors को of course बहुत प्रेशर था. Excited कि The Office के साथ मेरी इतनी अच्छी शुरुआत.
I feel there's a huge untapped audience which hasn't seen The Office in India. मैं टेलीविजन बहुत कम देखता हूँ, बनाता ज़्यादा हूँ. मैं इतना actually I'm not such a big consumer of Big Boss.
गौहर जी कुछ ही घंटे बाकी रह गए स्ट्रीमिंग होने में तो ऑफिस, तो आप बताइए कि ऑफिस जाने का कितना प्रेशर है गौहर जी?
ऑफिस जाने का बिल्कुल प्रेशर नहीं है क्योंकि दिस इज आफ्टर ऑफिस आवर्स. इस वक्त द ऑफिस इज ओनली अबाउट द शो ऑन हॉटस्टार ऑफ BBC एंड अपलोड सोशल. आई एम सो एक्साइटेड अबाउट द शो क्योंकि काफ़ी मेहनत से बना है, काफ़ी प्यार से बना है, काफ़ी अमेजिंग एक्टर्स हैं. It's such a big show internationally and it's the official adaptation in India and I'm a part of it, so I'm so excited.
इसकी फ्रेंचाइजी है ये और इंडिया में इसे की
नहीं प्रेशर आई थिंक अब जितना प्रेशर while making the show था क्योंकि we couldn't go wrong with it. The script is so strong. Actors को of course बहुत प्रेशर था कि वी हैव टू परफॉर्म रियली वेल टू मैच अप टू द स्क्रिप्ट क्योंकि बहुत क्लेवरली अडेप्ट किया गया है इंडियन लैंग्वेज के लिए, इंडियन एनवायरनमेंट, ऑफिस एनवायरनमेंट के लिए. तो हम पर तो प्रेशर था ही. ऑफकोर्स टेक्निकल प्रेशर बहुत ज़्यादा था क्योंकि दे वॉन्टेड इट अ सर्टन वे और जितना ऑथेंटिक शो है उससे आप दूर नहीं जा सकते थे. सो होपफुली हमारा प्रेशर का टाइम ख़त्म हो चुका है एंड अब प्रेशर है ऑडियंस पे कि प्लीज़ इसे उतने ही प्यार से एक्सेप्ट करिए जितने के प्यार से हमने और मेहनत से इसे बनाया है.
वेब सीरीज की दुनिया का कैसा रहा एक्सपीरियंस आपका?
एक्चुअली दी ऑफिस मेरा पहला वेब शो था जो मैंने साइन किया था. ऑफ कोर्स मेरा पहला कॉमेडी प्रोजेक्ट भी था. ऑफ कोर्स साइड हीरो इसके बाद मैंने शूट किया था क्योंकि रोहन सिप्पी सर से मैं इसी शो पे मिली थी. वो डायरेक्ट भी कर रहे हैं इस शो को. तो हालांकि वो पहले रिलीज़ हो गया लेकिन आई एम एक्साइटेड कि दी ऑफिस के साथ मेरी इतनी अच्छी शुरुआत हुई ऑन द वेब विद ग्रेट क्वालिटी कंटेंट एंड I've already done one more project with Applause, so keeping my fingers crossed for my career. जैसे मुझे बाकी सारे mediums में इतना अच्छे से accept किया गया है, hoping that with the office I get the same love even in the web. Thank you.
So you all have watched 2 episodes. After the first episode, what was your feeling to watch the second episode?
You know, so I think we watched like randomly. We watched the second episode and the 8th episode. So actually, we are even more excited to go back and see पहले में क्या होता है. क्योंकि we've come into the story right in the middle.
Those stories are not linked.
But still,
it's just you want to see how
I'm
it
assuming the
starts.
characters are progressing through it. So we've seen characters at different places, and I now want to go back and watch how does it sort of add up and join together.
And the episodes were very fast. The episodes were very fast.
Yeah, actually, it was pretty
They
fast.
flew through. It wasn't like you didn't feel alone.
वेब सीरीज को आप कैसे देख रहे हैं आपको कैसा लगता है वेब सीरीज सच अ गुड प्लेटफॉर्म नाउअडेज?
I think it's wonderful यार. अभी इंडिया में suddenly last couple of years हर किस्म का कंटेंट बन रहा है. फिल्में और टेलीविजन तो बन ही रहा था, but I think with the web coming in, we have all these beautiful adaptations coming in. Like The Office it's a landmark show, and people across the world have enjoyed it. There has to be something great about the format and the writing which is worked. And I think it's wonderful that as Indian audiences ये हम फिल्में नहीं देख सकते थे. टेलीविजन पे अगर ये आता तो उसमें बहुत सारा मिर्च मसाला, बैकग्राउंड म्यूजिक डालना पड़ता. But I think we can still watch it now in its original version, in its sort of adapted version. So it's wonderful. I think all kinds of content we've been watching.
It's become.
In fact,
it's exploded.
This year, besides, of course, The Office is something I'm really looking forward to. But Criminal Justice, which came on Hotstar, is something again which we really enjoyed, both of us. Delhi Crime we really enjoyed. और ये अब फिल्म या टीवी दोनों पे I don't think we are ready to watch this yet. So it's wonderful that digital is really
It's a great time for actors also. Yeah, there are so many new actors coming in and so many new performances that you'll see and you'll get inspired by. So yeah, it's a great medium.
So also one thing do you think that people need to stop rallying about previous episodes and after watching this what would you like to tell them?
Say that again.
Rally.
People are being obsessed or like obsessing over the US episodes and then when this Indian episode is out, what do you want to tell that set of audience?
I feel there's a huge untapped audience which hasn't seen The Office in India.
Yeah.
Also, I think the OTT Hotstar has such a huge base which watches a lot of sport and desi content which Star makes. I think unke liye there's a very small percentile which has watched The Office in any other version. So for the ones who watched, will want to watch to see what have we done. the ones who haven't watched, for them it's a fresh watch,
a
right?
brand- and,
and as a fresh watch, I think it's absolutely.
It's been adapted really well also.
Yeah, there
it's
is,
set here and it's our characters, our language. So that completely
It's a
works.
brand new show for them, for people
Yeah,
who
yeah.
haven't watched
It's
it, which
not
I think
new.
is very exciting.
वो comparison से होता ही रहेगा, हमेशा करते रहेंगे किसी न किसी चीज़ से. So this works, man.
Okay, also, is it, so are you planning to go in Big Boss house? Big Boss?
Yes, supposed to be. What are these things that are coming that you're in Big Boss?
ऐसा कोई प्लान नहीं है मेरा.
But do you like Big Boss?
एक्चुअली मैं टेलीविजन बहुत कम देखता हूँ, बनाता ज़्यादा हूँ, और जो लोग बनाते हैं उन्हें देखने का वक्त नहीं मिलता, और जब वक्त मिलता है तो आप you want to watch interesting things which are happening in the digital world now. So नहीं, मैं इतना actually I'm not such a big consumer of Big Boss. Yeah.
तो हाल ही में आपने फिल्म देखी होगी कबीर सिंह, तो कैसी लगी?
मुझे शाहिद बहुत अच्छा लगा फिल्म में. आई थिंक ही वाज टेरिफिक इन इट. एंड मैं जानता हूँ आपका अगला सवाल क्या होगा, बट अभी ऑफिस की बात करते हैं ना.
But sir, lot of people आपको ट्विटर पर
जी.
ट्रोल किया गया, उस पर आपको
मुझे ट्रोल किया गया, किसने किया?
बिकॉज ऑफ दैट
जी.
जो
हाँ.
शाहिद का किरदार है, दैट इज अ वेरी आप कह रहे कि बहुत अच्छा है, लेकिन फिर
मैंने किरदार अच्छा नहीं कहा, मैंने कहा उनकी परफॉर्मेंस बहुत अच्छी है. देयर इज डिफरेंस बिटवीन आर्ट एंड एन आर्टिस्ट.
बट कई लोग कह रहे हैं कि जो किरदार है बहुत ही बेकार किरदार है. लॉट ऑफ जर्नलिस्ट क्रिटिक्स से ये जिस तरह से वो
जी जी.
उसको लेके आप क्या कहते हैं?
आई थिंक आर्ट इज सब्जेक्ट टू सबके अपने परसेप्शंस होंगे. Of course, I think there's a lot of relevant conversation going on कि maybe commercial cinema should also be slightly more should take a stand, and I feel it's a great conversation to have. मुझे in fact मैंने जो tweet किया था उसमें लिखा था there are lots of problems I had personally with it. What I really enjoyed what Shahid did in it, right? So of course the timing of the film with what's happening in the country now may not be appropriate. And maybe hero worshipping that character may not be perfect, but I think instead of saying कि हमें मत दिखाओ, we should educate people around us and all of us to be able to view that. And but of course people have a problem because most people in India get influenced that I want to grow up to be like that character. That is problematic, but does that mean do I stop making films which have characters which are problematic? I don't know. I don't know. It's a valid debate we are having. Having said that, I think what Shai did was fabulous.
As actors, you actually
Yeah, we really enjoyed
you see
watching
this and you're
him.
like, that's a great performance.
Yeah.
At the end of the day.
Yeah.
So I mean, it could be a.
Yes. Today.
Today, 3 years back, yeah, the first episode.
जी. बहुत ज़्यादा. तो आज इश्बाज के 3 साल being on air, when it first went on air, it's completed today and it feels extremely nostalgic. इतना खूबसूरत सफ़र रहा है. अभी भी मैं whenever I'm traveling, meeting people can't stop talking about the show and how people are being influenced by the show. It feels wonderful, I think, to have that in your filmography, if you can say, or work.
Yeah.
And I feel very proud, and when I look back, I think all of us who have worked on the show will feel proud of the time we spent, the content we created on Indian TV. I think we really did well in the last 3 years, yeah, so it feels good.
सर आपने कोई स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ी है फिल्म को लेके या वेब सीरीज को लेके जो आपको कोई स्क्रिप्ट आजकल आप पढ़ रहे हैं?
यार मैं अभी जाकर ना द ऑफिस के हमने 2 एपिसोड देखे एंड द प्लान इज टू गो बिंज वॉच द रेस्ट ऑफ इट. मैंने सुना है सीजन 2 भी तैयार हो गया है. सो माई रियल होप इज दैट दे ब्रिंग इट आउट सून एंड वी कैन वॉच इट. एंड आई थिंक द एंटायर ensemble was I don't
very
know all
good.
of them, but they were very
Yeah.
good, yeah.
Fresh faces also you got to see.
It was so
There's a lot
nice
of
to
fresh
not
faces.
see regular
Yeah.
actors you're used to watching, and I think just Mukul came and
Mukul was
just
just too good.
holds the show and
Mukul Chaddha,
really
man.
nails it. Yeah.
Phenomenal.
So it was wonderful to see. Thank you.
All right, cool.
ओके सो ऑफिस जाने का टाइम आज कुछ ही घंटे बाकी रह गए, तो आप बताइए कि कितने पंचुअल है ऑफिस के, क्या करना चाहिए?
बहुत ज़्यादा एक्साइटमेंट है और लिटरली बहुत कम घंटे बचे हुए हैं, तो मैंने बाकी कुछ देखा नहीं है. आई हैव जस्ट सीन दीज 2 episodes एंड आई एम रियली एक्साइटेड टू सी द होल सीजन कमिंग. सो बहुत ही कमाल के एक्टर्स हैं सब और बहुत ही अच्छा किया है. सो आई एम रियली एक्साइटेड. ऑफ कोर्स प्रेशर तो होता ही है क्योंकि जिन्होंने ऑफिस ओरिजिनल देखा है तो शायद उन लोगों के लिए ये थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट एक्सपीरियंस होगा, पर डिफरेंट है लेकिन इट विल ग्रो ऑन यू फॉर श्योर. सो यू विल हैव टू see all the episodes and I think धीरे धीरे ये आप पे इसका असर और नशा दोनों चढ़ता जाएगा.
Did you like the second episode?
I loved both the episodes. I think it's a wonderful job done by the whole team of Applause and BBC. And this is, I still hate that I'm not there on the show. I really enjoyed it, and the jokes are really, if you get it, you get them. I got every joke, and it was really wonderful. And I laughed along with the actors. I laughed along with all the characters in this series. And I hope that really does well. Very well performed by each and every actor in this show, and I feel this is one of its kind, and thankfully we are not being apologetic about it. I just loved it.
Okay, and what do you think of the Office, the Indian version of the Office?
The Indian version only I'm saying is very well adapted, and I'm happy that this version has come in our language. It's in Hindi, and it's very politically incorrect, I must say. And I really enjoyed it. It's just I mean, I'm just going home now and stream these episodes and watch it now. That's all. I don't have time to talk to you all anymore. I really loved it. Please keep your comments to yourself. Nobody's interested. Those who love it, they'll just watch it. I just loved it. That's all.
Okay, one more thing, considering there is a large amount of people who go to office regularly, do you want to tell them, do you have any message for them?
Yeah. Yes, thankfully I do run an office myself, and I've faced this situation where I try to be really funny half the time, then I realize it's not that funny sometimes. So anyone who faces this situation, I don't think in our office these mad things happen, but it does happen in my office. So if you all want to join my office, you are welcome to intern. Thanks.
Okay, I have one more thing. Firstly, I want to ask you, have you watched the US Office?
Yes, my friends. I watched the original, I watched the US Office, and Steve Carell has done a brilliant job. And I must say that Mukul is there. He's there. He's spot on, absolutely spot on. Whatever people may say, I thought he was simply spot on. I think every character from US Office that we adapted in the Indian Office, spot on. Brilliantly done.